understand very well, but I can't speak English. What is the reason? What is the reason behind of this? You can't speak English. Do you know why it happens? So let's see. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to tell you actually when we start speaking English, so that times we can't speak English. Why? Actually, I can understand very well, but it comes to speak English with other person, so that times we can't speak English. So today in my video, I am going to tell you everything. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that I understand very well, but it comes to speak English with other person, so that times I couldn't speak English. What is the reason? What is the reason why it happens? So today in my video I am going to tell you everything. Okay, actually I have some tips for improving English. All the times I use these tips, so that's why we can't speak English. Okay, first of all I would like to tell you we think more much. Okay, we think more much. Actually all the times when we start speaking English, so that times I think more much. Okay, I think about grammar, pronunciation and grammar phrases, anything I think. But when we start speaking English, so that times I couldn't speak English well. Before starting the conversation, I think more much. Okay, actually I don't have more much time to translate. Okay, actually when we start speaking English, so that times I think, first of all I think in Hindi and then translate, and after that I speak. Please stop it, only try to speak English. Okay, every person have a problem. They translate English to their native language. So please stop it, only try to speak English and don't think more much. Actually I don't have more much time to translate, so please avoid this thing and try to speak English. Okay, and another thing, you can write, you can write before speaking English. Actually told you just now I don't have more much time to translate. Okay, there are so many topics. First of all, you can write in your diary and then you can start speak with yourself. If you don't have any partner, so it's okay, you don't have any partner and environment, you can speak with yourself. Actually this opportunity is very good for you for improving English. First of all, you can, actually I have lots of topic about education, about sport, about environment. Actually there are so many topic are available on YouTube. You can check, you can write and you can use. Okay, first of all write in your diary and then you start speak with yourself. And next one, practice. Practice. Practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't speak English. Okay, actually all the time we think something like this: I want to improve my communication skill, but how to start? Actually I don't have more much practice. Without practice we can't speak English. Every person know without practice we can't speak English. Despite of this, they don't have more much practice. So please, you should have the practice more. If you don't have any partner, so it's okay, you have practice with yourself. And I have one example. Okay, I have one example, and that example is a related to driving the car. I want to drive, but I don't know how to drive, how to stop, how to start. I don't know. Okay, but having said that, I want to drive the car. It's impossible. Okay, you can't drive the car. Before the driving the car, you should have the practice. Okay, without practice you can't drive. So exactly the same thing as a English. Without practice you can't speak English. You don't know more much vocabulary, you don't know more much grammar. Having said that, you want to speak English. It's impossible. Okay, it's impossible. Okay, so another thing you should apply. Even I am facing this problem. I afraid of making the mistake. I have making the mistake more much when we start speaking English. So that times I afraid of making the mistake because this times I am making the wrong. Okay, actually all the learner have a problem in the beginning. I think it happens. Okay, I want to tell you about myself. Actually, yesterday I went to doctor, but I decided to talk to doctor in English, but I couldn't, because of which I so that times I have lots of hesitations and underconfidence, because of which we couldn't speak English in English. Actually, this is a very big problem. Every person stop it. Only try to speak English and don't think more much. Don't think about people. What does people think about us? Only try to speak English. This is your aim. You want to be fluent in English. You want to be perfect in English. Definitely you will be improved if you have good goal. Okay, if you have good goal, definitely you will be improve your communication skill. So please avoid these things. Only try to speak English. And I have two tips, only two tips, because I am using these tips, so that's why I am telling to you. First one speaking, and next one listening. Actually, both things is very important for improving English, so you should apply. Okay, you should apply for improving your communication skill. First of all, open your mouth, speak a lot. Okay, when you are alone, so that time you try to speak with yourself and more much speak. Okay, more much speak. And another thing, you should listen. Listening power is very important. When you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. There are so many stuff on YouTube. You can watch, you can listen. Actually, you should observe, you should consume every topic in English who are watching. Okay, so I think these things are very important for improving English. You should apply if you want to be fluent in English. Okay, so in the end, once again I am saying, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.